Welcome to Desire Employee Directory for SharePoint Online, a modern employee directory designed to help organizations connect people faster and work smarter. This is the grid view. It's our default card-based layout. Each employee is shown as a rich card with photo, name, department, job title, email, phone, and quick action buttons. Next is the list view. This tabular layout shows the employee name, department, skills, and buttons in compact rows. Plus, additional columns can be added as needed. This is our tile view. It's a photocentric gallery layout with large profile pictures ideal for visual recognition. It clearly shows the employee's name, job title, and quick action buttons. The phone book view is quite useful. It displays all employees with a number. You can see names, numbers, and locations. Additional columns can be added too. It is very flexible. Narrow your search to a specific field or filter by department and skills. Instant results with a single click. Click any name to open the full Microsoft 365 profile. See their availability, local time, LinkedIn, and contact options, all without leaving the directory. Every card has a Teams button and an Outlook button. Start a chat, make a call, or send an email. One click, no copy paste, no friction. Scanning it shows the employee's full contact details instantly. Need a report? Click the Export button to download the current filtered view as a CSV in seconds. Perfect for HR headcount reporting. Large organizations? No problem. Pagination keeps the page fast and focused and navigate any number of employees with simple previous, next, and numbered page buttons. Employee directory. Built for SharePoint. Powered by Microsoft 365. Contact Desire InfoWeb to deploy it in your organization.